When animals mean so much and the shared love is there for all to see, it can but warm your heart and take you away from all the negativity that's in the world today. Mikey has love in his heart for all of the animals that we have here on his farm. No matter what the size, and no matter how scary they are, and no matter how large they are, he certainly has enough love to share with all of the animals. And he will spend his days not on devices, but just watching, caring, and most of all, loving the animals. But keeping animals is hard work and a never-ending job that is 24/7, 365 days a year, cutting the grass, filling the water, and cutting the grass again. And once that's done, you then have to move the sheep and get them to follow you into the next field. Preparing the feed twice a day and then making sure everything is kept nice and tidy. Off to feed yet again, and then when that's done, maintaining the machines, keeping them nice and clean, and then of course maintaining the land. And then once all that's done, chasing the escaped piglets and putting them back. But you know it's love when you still have time to make sure they're okay. Still one last job to do and put the horses back after their workout. And when you see Mikey do all this, you know he truly has a love that can't be broken. So Mikey, when all your jobs are done, we can sit back of an evening and enjoy this amazing sight. And of course then, in the morning, we have to start all over again. Mikey, thank you.
Like and subscribe on my YouTube channel.